Now you can build your dream backyard with strong, decorative hardware that's load-rated, stylish, and easy to install. Introducing Outdoor Accents Essentials from Simpson Strong-Tie. Essentials feature a new line of connectors and fasteners designed for home improvement projects like elevated decks, pergolas, and other outdoor structures. Made of ZMAX galvanized steel for superior corrosion resistance and durability. The connectors include joist hangers, angles, post bases and caps, hurricane ties, and more. They all come with a beautiful black powder coat finish. Installation is fast and easy using our premium color-matched fasteners that feature a double barrier black coating. These new Essentials products are a versatile addition to our expansive line of Outdoor Accents hardware. Strong and beautiful, they're perfect for your next project. And as always, they're backed by expert service and support. Learn more and find a retailer near you at strongtie.com/essentials.